good, boys? We got Chef Toxic and Chef Blair in the kitchen.
Yeah, today, because it's supposed to be a bacon and egger, we're doing an egger and cheese. We don't got no bacon, even though I'm Canadian. Fucked up, right? Anyways, I'm going off camera here, so I grab some eggs. Oh shit, yo, thank God we have eggs. I didn't even really look at that before I did this. So, you're gonna get some eggs. You're gonna get a bowl. Preferably a bowl like this, works perfect. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the sliced American processed cheese. Can't go wrong with this, except for like whatever the actual fuck they do actually put in it, but it's okay. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a pan because you need something to cook on. So yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, cook on these nuts.
So I'm gonna turn my camera down now so y'all can actually see. You're gonna start off. You need a fork too. I just fucking realized that. Yeah, you need a fork to whisk your eggs.
Yeah, true.
So today we're actually making 2 bacon and eggers. So I'll show you the process of me cooking 2. Or sorry, egger and cheese because we're broke. We have no bacon. You know, want to crack your egg. Sauce it right in there. Absolutely no shell. Crack it like a beauty. But I crack all my broths. You know what I mean? Preferably you want to do this with 2 eggs. Kind of just helps. Oh fuck, this egg is fucked up. Oh fuck me. Oh no. Oh,
we're fucked up to my future.
Oh god, dog. That's bad, bro. I got shells in my fucking food, bro. You really just accidentally bite into an egg and you're like, what the fuck is that taste?
Oh, dude, I fucking hate that. It's like it's random crunch out of nowhere.
Yeah, it throws you off guard. Wait, I've never tried this. That's actually not bad, bro. That's a smooth technique right there. I give that like an 8 out of 10. So now what you're gonna do, I don't actually put milk in this because I don't really want it to be like that fluffy, right? So we're gonna do this. We're gonna whisk it up. You know what I mean? Whisk it up a little. Side note, you don't season it off the start. You have to wait for it to cook a little. Don't know why. I think I just heard Gordon Ramsay say that once, so you know, kind of stuck by it ever since. So you need some Pam, aka cooking spray, because yeah, no one likes their eggs just cooking. We gotta get some butter on this bitch. Oh my god, I almost got the butter.
Yo, butter and the Pam.
No. I might be able to just get away with like just the butter if I milk it up enough and I move it around enough. What am I doing? Grabbing a knife. Get a butter knife. Other knives are sharp, kind of scary. Not scary with my fan though. It doesn't have a guard on it, so just like it whips, bro. So now, we should need to grab the buns, and you're gonna need a toaster for this too. I think most people have a toaster. Not sure though.
Nah, what about the homeless people watching this on streets?
Suck a dick. Get a home. Get a job, bro. Do something with your life. So, you're gonna grab 2 of these motherfuckers. Because, oh, that's a 3rd one. Oops. No, I grabbed 2 of these because, you know, we're cooking 2, again, cheese and eggers. Egger and cheese. I don't know what I said. Not sure. This is my favorite part. Is just giving it the old fucking spin it.
Let's go! That is the best part every time.
I don't miss, bro. I don't miss. Do you want to feel above? Oh, always roll your sleeves up, by the way. Probably should have changed, but no.
True, good tip.
So you want to put it on about a 5 is a nice medium in my opinion. It's nice. We're just gonna wait for everything just to heat up. In the meantime, let me be a fiend for the nicotine. YouTube, I'm over 19. Don't worry. I've got my ID on me right though right now. So let's this up one final time. We're gonna pour a little bit on there. So I know it looks like we poured a little bit much, but we're gonna flip it up, and it's gonna be a nice fat egg and cheese there, bro. Or whatever the fuck I said. I don't even care anymore. Is that a spatula back there? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you need one of those too. They're kind of useful. Who knew? So, like everything, I'm gonna have nice buttery eggs, which is gonna taste really nice with the. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper too for the seasoning.
Yo,
Don't think any.
Chef Blair, if I may interrupt, this does look kind of like an omelet that you're making into scrambled eggs now.
So it actually won't be scrambled. They'll flip it up, and it will have structure to it. Actually, you'll see. That's why you only do the outsides, and you wait. When it cooks enough, you kind of pick it up and flip it over. It gets a nice structure there. That always helps when you're making your egg and cheeser. See what I mean?
Yo, true, it works.
I'm telling you, bro. Chef Blair never misses. So at this point, I go toast my bun. Fuck, will my fucking headset
I mean, you're
reach
pretty
over here?
toasted right now.
I am pre-toasted right now, boys. That's what's up. Don't even know what I'm smoking on. Like I said, I live in Canada. I'm 19. At this point, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, alright? So we're gonna get a little bit of salt in there. We're gonna add just a tad pepper, because I don't really like pepper, to be honest with you. No. We get some nice seasoning on that side too.
Okay, at least
We're gonna
now it's looking a little bit more like it'll like fit on the muffin.
exactly. It's all about presentation. I'm telling you that right now, bro. I see. Wait for these buns to toast, and it'll be fucking perfect. Okay, let's put this over here. Okay, so now you're gonna want to get a piece of sliced cheese. I'm gonna flip it over one last time, and then we are gonna put the cheese on it, and we'll be done.
Yeah, so what did you get up to today, Chef Blair?
So I woke up, went out for a bit, got my COVID vaccine, and then I got went out, came back, got super high. Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm actually gonna enjoy the other bacon egg right here.
Homie can't wait to dig in. How is it? Here, wait, give the, fuck! Give the audience a bite.
Looks like an audience. My bag. Where's my men? Where's my manners, audience? There you guys. So, cooked to perfection. The cheese is perfectly melted. Super buff.
Does seem like the ultimate midnight snack.
Also, another bonus is I could taste the salt. The salt is super nice. The salt and pepper was nicely seasoned on it. Really complements it. Makes it a good, like,
Dude, you know what we're calling this? We're calling this Grunchies.
yo, Grunchies specials.
Let's go.
And it's just gonna be like episodes of like me cooking. Same thing, boys. We're gonna sauce a little bit of salt and pepper on there. You already know. Get a nice salt base in there, of course. You got the pepper a little. We're gonna season it a little bit more. Let me get the camera back down here. Sorry, I was just letting you guys watch me eat. It's always fire. But the thing about this, have you ever had a bacon and egger that at some points all you could taste it was egg? No
Yeah.
cheese. But with this, the cheese was covered so perfectly that there's no imperfections like that. You know what I mean?
Everything in this meal was perfectly thought of, calculated.
Mm-hmm. But I'm actually gonna have to sculpt a little bit, believe it or not. It's gonna be a nice, interesting sight to see. Is a master bacon and egger chef actually half needing to sculpt the egg on
Even masters make mistakes.
exactly. Can I just point out how thick this cheese and egger is?
Yeah,
It
it's
is
pretty thick.
it's a beautiful body of egg with a perfect layering of cheese on top, heated to perfection. The buns are nicely not toasted, but warmed up where it makes the cheese and want to melt, melt before it. It's football
And
season, so
chef,
dirty
might
ball.
I say something?
Mm,
I am so sorry about doubting your ability to make a cheese and egger.
you, thank you. Means the world. So let's take a bite into this, eh? Mm, not as good as the first one. A little bit too over seasoned with the salt, but it's always learning experience. You know, the first one is just to show how beautiful they can really get.
I guess we're done now.
Yeah.
Here, let's give a bye YouTube on three, 3, 2, 1. Bye
Bye,
YouTube.
YouTube.